in Nakaseke district, initiatives such as the launch of a model farm to boost wealth creation and plant solar-powered irrigation systems are presented as efforts to modernize agriculture in the district.
My name is Johnson Ainebiona, the General Manager, Heritage Farm Chirema Limited. Heritage Farm Chirema Limited is located in Chirema, Semuto Sub-County, Nakaseke District. At Chirema, we first of all live in a community of people, and our main focus is to cooperate and live peacefully with the community. The community itself, we begin by employing the youth around us, and we have about 30% of our workers from within the community. When we talk about livestock, we have good breeds of sheep which are meat masters, and Chirema being the center of excellence, we focus on breeding. So the meat masters on the side of sheep, we make sure that after we multiply, we give to different farmers out there such that our good breeds can go across the country. We have goats which are Kalaharis and Savannah, which are also very good for dual purpose, both milk production and beef. We have very good breeds of cattle, the cows. We are basically dealing with Guernseys, Jerseys, Brown Swiss, and Frisians. Our cows are the best within the country. You have moved there, you can see how we have set up that infrastructure. We use both AI, artificial insemination, and our natural mating. And so our emphasis is to multiply and do outgrowing across the country. We have our highest milker up to 40 liters per day. We have such best milkers. And so we treasure cattle as one of the best departments. We also have coffee as one of our biggest department. We have coffee over 100 acres, and we are basically doing our mother garden, which is grooming up to the nursery bed, and our crones are very healthy, are very productive. It's one of our best yielding coffee within the region, and we call upon all clients. We have seedlings available for purchase. You can come and buy, and you go and do a multiplication. So this is our mother garden, where we cut our prawns and then we take them to the nursery bed until we produce our seedlings.
Mu kitundu kino tulinamu ebyafaayo. Ebyafaayo bino bye oluzzi luno lw'otunuulira olwa Kaguta Well, nga lwe luzzi His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mu biseera eby'olutalo kwe yanywanga amazzi. Ne tuli basanyufu nnyo nti ate ffe si kwe tunywa, tulina amazzi agatwetoolodde nga gabowa. Batuteerawo wali amazzi ag'omulembe tugafulira wali community ne tufunako amazzi. Ebyo nanga tuli ku mulamu ogw'okukuuma ebituukiddwako. Tetulema kwebaza management y'ekifo kino nga Heritage Farm olw'okukuuma oluzzi luno ng'ebyafaayo.
The community benefits from Heritage Farm Chirema in many ways. One, We have our water supply, which we have extended to the neighborhood. So people are allowed to come here, fetch water. We have also extended some lines, and the community is benefiting from us. Road network. Since this farm was started, the roads have been worked on and maintained. So it makes our community people easy to trade their produce and do their businesses very well. We have also connected electricity, power, and our neighboring schools, churches, institutions, and the rest of the community have access to power through this farm. We have also our products here, and our first priority customers or clients are our neighbors. We have milk, we have banana, we have sugar canes, we have passion fruits, we have gonja, we have our products from dairy and the rest of the departments. Heritage Farm Chirema Limited has also benefited our community through security. This farm has introduced a safe or a safety zone for the rest of the communities. We have security which is protecting not only Heritage Farm but also the neighborhood. At Chirema, we are also extending what we call outgrower program. Whatever we do here, we focus on making sure that we replicate or we multiply. We give to our farmers, let it be seedlings, let it be all products from different departments. We make sure our neighborhood, even far away from here, people are benefiting from our hybrids. We have a total number of 154 workers. We have those that we accommodate within our dormitories. We have those that are coming from within the community. They come work and go back to their homes. We have about 40% female or ladies. These ladies, first of all, some of them have children. We have put a facility for children to come when their mothers go to the fields to work. We cater for them, we feed them, and we have put someone who looks after those children for the female workers that come from within the community. These female workers basically are doing some of the soft activities like weeding in banana plantation, weeding in coffee, doing picking of coffee, harvesting of coffee, but also drying. You can see our beans here. Those are soft activities targeting mostly the ladies. We also have a different group of workers who are organized in their setup. They are men, and those ones we do contract basis. Those ones come and contract a certain portion of land and they dig it, we pay them. And then we have what we call general casual workers. Those ones we feed them breakfast, lunch and supper, and they are here 24/7 at the farm. We also have management team, which is basically highly skilled. These are degree holders, and they are skilled in different departments. The 12 departments each has a manager who is a degree holder, who is skilled, and that one trickles down to a number of workers for that particular department. So we also have technical workers who are skilled in different areas. For example, on machinery, the equipment. For example, tractor drivers, drivers of our trucks all over, machine operators and generator operators, electricians, milk cooler department. So different people are skilled differently. Some of our machines, like tractors, if we are harvesting, for example, those beans, we harvest using the machine. We also shell it using the machine. So machinery here is one of our also big departments. We have also the tractor that cuts the silage, and also bales our hay. For example, we cut quarries, we cut different pastures to make it ready for the cows. We have our biggest store here, especially for the coffee. Coffee is the one that we produce and store at a bigger scale. And then second is our beans. We have our grain department. We extend it beyond here. Here at Chirema main farm, we have 224 acres, and we have our grain department, which is located in Kansiri, a few miles from here, and we are basically producing maize, soybean, and beans. All this that we produce are our own consumption. We don't sell. We have consumption for our workers and the fellow staff, and then we have consumption of our animals, where we feed them on different supplements. We basically buy a few supplements from outside, but the rest of the feeds, we produce them at Heritage Farm Chirema Limited. We have our solar plant, which is located at Karo Buganda. Karo Buganda is one of the cultural sites of Buganda Kingdom. This is one of the sites that Baganda treasure. There is a place called Miryango Mwenda, and that is one of the treasures that Heritage Farm has decided to maintain, and that bridges the relationship between Buganda and Heritage Farm Chirema. So the solar panel we have pumps water, brings it to the hill. The hill is called Chitibwa. You can see it up there. And water now flows back by gravity, and we divert the water to different blocks of coffee, different blocks of banana plantation, and the rest of the pastures for our farm. The bigger percentage of what we produce is basically for our own consumption, but when we talk about milk production, we produce over 800 liters per day from our good breeds of cattle. As I told you, the Guernseys, the Jerseys, the Brown Swiss, and the Frisians. We sell our milk to Jessa here in Busunju, nearby here. We also sell our milk to Classic. Then every Thursday we have a market day. This is where we cut our bananas, our gonjas, our ndizi, and we have an open space there. We cut over 500 bunches, and we allow all customers from all corners to come and buy. And so markets are open here, and the prices are gate prices. They are good prices, and so we call upon all customers to come and buy from Heritage Farm Chirema Limited. I myself, as a worker, as a general manager, I extend my thanks to General Salim Saleh Akandwanao as the owner of the farm, and also the chief coordinator of Operation Wealth Creation. This is basically one of the demo farms across the country, and we thank General for the infrastructure, the machinery, the equipment, the good environment, the good conditions of the workers, and the rest of the community. We have all benefited as a country at large. We have workers from all corners of the country, and so we are so grateful for General Salim Saleh and our President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.